Hey everyone, welcome back to Pop and Polish. I'm Shannon, and in today's video, we are doing some black and purple Valentine's Day nails. I was just watching some Bomb Nails videos and got super inspired by her recent purple Valentine's Day set. And also she was freestyling, which I have not done in 100 years. So I'm going to freestyle this and just see where we end up. This one is going to be black because I have an idea for it. I want to do like that see-through pantyhose, I don't know, sheer kind of look. Let's do a neutral base first, I think. This is my favorite neutral kind of color. As you can see, I think I'm wearing it right now. As always, you'll probably notice I don't recommend products. That's because I use cheap products that I get off of Temu and Shein, because that's what I can afford right now. And I'm a small channel. I don't get PR or anything yet. But anyways, the reason why I don't recommend any products that I use, even if I love them, is because I don't know what's in them. I don't know their formulation, and therefore I don't feel comfortable recommending the product. I'm just making press-ons for myself. I don't do people's nails. I'm not painting on my actual nails. So to me, it's okay that I use cheap products right now. I'm gonna use my super tiny dotting tool. I'm gonna do little hearts. Let's do that again. I was like, you don't need to matte top coat it, because you guys know I love to matte top coat everything before I do stuff. Let's matte top coat this before we get into things. Oh, so let's do a little story time. So I'm trying to decide whether to start a second channel, or this video might even be the first video on that channel. We'll find out. But basically, this is the story of why you don't actually want to go viral. So in the summertime, I had only less than 1,000 subscribers, and K-pop Demon Hunters came out, and I absolutely love K-pop Demon Hunters, and I loved it the second I saw the movie. This is not working out. What am I doing with my life? I'm so busy talking. So I had this idea of a K-pop Demon Hunters nail set. So I did this, I'll be honest, I think it was pretty cool. K-pop Demon Hunters set. And it ended up going viral. It got over 2 million views. And I'm sure everyone, if you're a creator, is probably like, oh my gosh, that's the dream. I thought so too, until I realized it wasn't. No, we're starting again. Oh my goodness. Okay. New approach is gonna happen. I might have to use a different black. Maybe that's my problem right now. I got so many subscribers. I have almost 6,000 subscribers right now, which is awesome in so many ways. But in the way that it's not awesome is that those people love K-pop Demon Hunters. They don't necessarily love nail art, because everyone that they all subscribed from that short. It was a short, by the way. And they subscribed because they love K-pop Demon Hunters, and I did K-pop Demon Hunters nails, but they don't necessarily love nail art. So now everyone's kind of not over K-pop Demon Hunters, obviously not, but people who love it. But I'm not doing K-pop Demon Hunters nails. And all of a sudden, no one's I have all these subscribers that aren't into the nail art. And so now I will do a video. I put out I did a friend's nail set the other day that I thought was really awesome, by the way. And I think the video is really good, but literally nobody's watching it, because YouTube, the algorithm, pushes your video to your subscribers first. And then based off of whether or not your subscribers like it, depends on whether they boost it to the algorithm will boost it to a larger audience. Anyways, so YouTube will push my friend's video out to my current subscribers, for example, but they might not necessarily be into nails. They just like that K-pop Demon Hunters short. So no one watches the video, and therefore YouTube doesn't push it to anybody. My latest video had 17 views, I think, or 20 views at the time of doing this, which is may as well be 0. But anyways, so I'm trying to decide whether to start a new channel that is all my long form, and then because people watch my shorts for the most part, I guess, if they're like pop culture ones or K-pop ones. But my long videos, my subscribers aren't watching it because they're not into nail videos. So there is the con of going viral, is that your audience might not the new audience that you gain from going viral might not actually be into what you do. So anyways, that is how going viral ruined my channel, because now, for a while now, since summer, people aren't watching my videos, or my subscribers don't watch my videos because they're not actually into nail art. And YouTube goes, well, your subscribers aren't watching your videos, so your videos must not be good. So it doesn't push me to a larger audience, and therefore no one sees my videos, which is a little like disheartening when you work really hard on your videos and to create good videos for everyone. And when you work hard to create like good nail art. So that's why this will either be one of the first videos on a new channel, or I don't know. Okay, so let's do the second nail. I'm gonna do another nude base because I think I have a good idea for this one. We'll see. We'll see if it's a good idea. I love that nude. And then we're gonna matte top coat this because I'm gonna do some isolated chrome on top. That one's a big no. Okay, I like the first one, so I think I'm gonna chrome or try hard not to. I'm gonna flash curve this actually, because I like that first heart. Okay. Let's try that other heart again. There we go. That's better, I think. Cute. Can't decide if I want to leave that open or color it in. You know what? I'm going to color them in. Hopefully I won't regret this. I don't know how I feel about this. Let's just keep going and see how it goes. I'm not used to freestyling. Normally I'm really about planning, so we'll see. My purple one's way back there. So let's put a little purple chrome on top of this, see how that looks. cute. I think I'm gonna outline that in black. Okay, I think I'm gonna outline this in black. Okay, I like this. I like it. Okay, so I think this looks really good as is with the matte background, but let's see. I think I'm gonna shiny top coat it. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Second nail, done. Okay, the third nail. This one is gonna have a purple base. And I'm gonna be doing like a little I love you thing that I got an inspo from Pinterest. Definitely top coating this, or matte top coating this to do the design I'm about to do. Okay. Now I'm doing like an I love you, like little chat box type thing. In here, I'm gonna write I heart you. It's gonna look really cute. I think I'm gonna do it in purple. Hope I don't regret not doing it in black. I'm also trying to go a little quickly. It's actually really early in the morning and I'm trying to do this before my family gets up. So we'll see. I feel like everyone's sleeping in, which is really helping me this morning. But I do feel myself starting to go a little bit more quickly, not rushing per se, but feeling a bit of the time crunch. Oh, that's so cute. And then I think I'm gonna outline this in black and do black polka dots, really tiny ones. Kind of like the inspo I saw. Who is this? Julia, who gave me this inspo? Julia Ness from, I can't pronounce that. Julia Ness is what I'm gonna say. That's what it's tagged on Pinterest. I'll post the picture actually. Love that. Love that, love that. I'm so happy with how this set is turning out, given that it's a freestyle set and I do not freestyle ever almost. So this is really awesome that it's turning out so good. There, what do we think? How do you think this nail turned out? I think it turned out mega cute. Yay, okay. Okay, now let's do the ring finger. And I'm gonna do similar to the thumbnail where I'm gonna do that sheer design. So we're back to my favorite nude. So for this nail, it's going to be like the thumbnail with that sheer design, but it's going to be X's and O's. I think that's going to look really cute. I'm really happy with how this set is turning out so far. I have that X's and O's song stuck in my head right now. I won't sing it, but I'll show you. Whew, holding my breath a little bit for this one. Cure this. And then we're going to outline it. We're almost done. And now for the black sheer jelly. I think that looks cool. And then we do our top coat. Ah, I think that looks so good. Okay, pinky nail. This one I'm keeping simple. No, it's gonna be a purple chrome nail, just to tie in the chrome from the index finger. Purple chrome. Oh, I can hear my family. So if there starts to be some noise, it's because my family's awake now. Oh, I should have put a top coat on it because it's a little sparkly. Oh well. Oh well. Not everything can be perfect. But it still looks pretty. Let's top coat it. Oh, it looks gorgeous. There, and I think this really completes the set. All right, let's put these on and see how they look.